Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to separate the audio in OBS. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, initially, as you can see right here, this is the interface. First of all, what you guys should do is focus on the bottom right. Right here is settings. Click on it right now. Well, once you click on it, this thing will open up. Simply move right over to audio. Once you do it, what you guys need to do is simply enable the desktop audio and also enable your mic or auxiliary audio. Simply click on the drop down and select the device. Once it's okay, simply hit on apply. Once you've done that, once again, what you need to do is go to output. At the top left, you will see the output button just above audio. Click on it. Now from here, what you guys need to do is simply focus on this recording section, and right here, almost at the bottom, you can see some buttons called as audio track, and right here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Personally, I like to enable them all. Once you've done that, simply hit on apply and hit on OK. Now what you guys need to do is simply add the source. At the bottom left corner of the screen, in the sources tab, you will see the plus icon right here. And at the very top, you can see this new feature provided by OBS, that is Application Audio Capture. Click on it right now. Once you do, it's gonna ask you to create a new one or simply add existing one if you have it. What I recommend is renaming them so that it will be easy for you guys to know from which source the audio is incoming. I'm gonna add it right now. Well, as you can see, I have added the name, so I'm simply gonna hit on OK. Now once you do that, it's gonna ask you to select the window. I'm simply gonna click on the drop box right here and just select the window right here. Once you've done that, simply hit on OK. And right here, as you can see, an audio source has been added. You can do that for others as well. I'm gonna do for others as well. And guys, that is it. As you can see, I have added multiple audio sources. Now what you guys need to do is simply click on these 3 dots associated with each of these audio. I'm gonna click on it right now. Once you do, all you guys need to do is simply go to Advanced Audio Properties. Finally, this thing will open up. Well guys, this is it. From here, what you guys have to do is simply do like this. For me, desktop audio should only be track 1. Likewise, mic and auxiliary, it should be track 2. Similarly, Spotify track 3 and YouTube track 4. Now once you start recording, desktop audio will be available in track 1. Likewise, auxiliary audio track 2, Spotify track 3 and YouTube track 4. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how you separate audio in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.